Coron!
We're in the beautiful town of Coron here in the Philippines in Palawan, and we are about to head on to the ultimate tour. So it's taken us to 7 different locations. I believe most of them is by boat. I'm not sure if we're getting into a van at any point, but it's supposed to be one of the most beautiful things you can do here. So let's check it out. Oh guys, this is our boat. I'm just joking.
Yeah, the green one.
This is not ours?
Yeah, that's the one. Just gonna cross.
I like this one.
Going to the outside.
It's up to you. Thank you, bro.
Yes.
Oh my goodness gracious. Thank you. This is much better. Look at this water. Oh my gosh. She's a little bit touristy. 160, how many? 163?
With sunglasses away.
This lady's my spirit animal.
Welcome to Tourist Central.
This lady's thriving. What are the words for the first location?
It's beautiful, but it's just very, very busy. It's still beautiful. Clear water.
So many people. But yeah, if we were by ourselves, that'd be great. Like a dinosaur. I don't even think video is going to do this justice, but like, I just don't understand how this is a real place. How was that?
Best of my life.
That was nuts. Wow, look at this woman. Man is selling beers. Who's chasing us? Bailey's favorite man. Oh, that's the best sound in the world.
Truly is. Nice life.
This girl needs to have a day off.
Thank you so much.
Buy me beers, Bailey. Buy me beers. For the poor little boy. That's why I need subscribers. Look at this. What on earth is taking place over here? When you come to al fresco for dinner, you get gummy worms as an appetizer. Wonderful. Oh my gosh, look at this burger. Wow.
There's something to celebrate.
All right, so we just got back from our 9-hour ultimate tour of Coron. And I'm sorry, Tao Expedition, but this was a little bit more beautiful, honestly. I feel like in our trip, the whole time, it's been just getting more and more and more beautiful and more beautiful, and Coron today was just like so amazing. Yeah, the Twin Lagoon, I think it was called, was like the highlight. Yeah, it was pretty wild.
What was your favorite part of the day?
I think my favorite part was when we were swimming with the fishes. It was very beautiful. There was so many fishes around us. 4.5 or 5.
4.5 out of 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, she's very difficult because I would have given that day a 5 out of 5, but yeah. Now we're going to Siargao. Don't know if it's going to top here or the Tao Expedition, but we'll see.
Okay, Ty, what are you rolling?
Okay,
how did we find this?
We have big news today.
This is the weirdest thing.
So this is called biko. It's like sticky rice with coconut
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. Anyways, we had a Filipino lady in our life at a very young age, and she used to make this biko when we were very little, and we couldn't pronounce it, so we called it yummy. And anyways, we probably haven't ate it for 20 years. And we were asking someone where we can buy biko, and she just didn't really.
And I've been asking since I've been here for like 14 days. I've been asking so many people, where can we find biko? And they're like, oh, it's like a celebratory thing. You probably won't find it.
I asked the tuk-tuk man, like a little taxi driver man, where can we get it? And he's like, no, I don't know. And then all of a sudden he chased after us and he started yelling at this one lady, and she legit pulled 3 of these packages of biko out of her purse, and she said 100 pesos, which is like $2.50. And now we have biko, so we're gonna try it, and we're very excited
This is
about
our
it.
first taste test.
Yeah.
Excited, nervous.
I'm getting hints of coconut. Get into
Okay. This is like a life-changing moment.
Oh, it's so sticky.
It is. Well, I remember that. It being like a weird,
Yeah,
like kind of like a gooey texture. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god!
That tastes the same. It's sticky and delicious. Oh my god, it's yummy.
Oh my god, it's so good.
It's so funny.
It's so nostalgic.
We should have got all 3 of them.
Oh, I wish we would have got. Maybe we can go back to her.